Welcome to visit Shaman 3 Plus Technology Company Limited. Customer is our culture. 3 Plus Coco Group is a professional team and full of competitive advantage. We specialize in design and production of electric scooter, Citycoco scooter, balance scooter, electric tricycle, message gun. Advantage follows. Factory cover an area of 5,000 square meters with 30 employees, 5 technicians, and 2 QC. 3 Plus have ISO 9001 EEC, COC, and CE certificate. OEM and OBM designed by customer. Have grown from a small factory with annual turnover of USD 100,000 to over USD 8 million. Experienced in exporting to Europe, USA, Russia, Spain, Sweden, France, Germany, Brazil, Peru. Matched MSDS KC UN 38.3 to ensure exporting process. Inquiries are typically answered within 48 hours. With stylish model designs and excellent quality, our product has been widely recognized all the world. 3 Plus Coco have warehouse in Europe, 7 to 15 days from Budapest warehouse to all Europe. Door-to-door include all tax and VAT. We have strict inspection process before packing. Owned battery factory, each cell will be tested by professional machine. Use special structure to pack the battery cell to reduce the temperature of battery. Charge battery more than 48 hours tested. Production process, design proofing post logo, take a detailed picture, mass production, sample test, QC, big cargo test, upload video, packing and shipping after sale. Our principle of first-class service, sincerity, quality first, keeping contract. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to visit 3 Plus Coco for business negotiation.